Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5083769 or KB5082417 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to go to Windows Update in Windows Settings, and then over here you can see Pause Update option. Hit pause over here. Once the update is paused, click on Resume Updates. So sometimes pausing and restarting the update works, so you can try this. If that does not work, type in Services in Windows search box and then click on Services. Find Windows Update in the list, scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on Apply, click on Start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on Restart. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on Apply, click on Start if highlighted, and then make a right click and then click on Restart. Scroll up, find App Readiness, make a double click on App Readiness, set this to automatic. Click on Apply, click on Start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on App Readiness, click on Restart. Now you can update your Windows 11. Still not working? The next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, make sure that you run Windows PowerShell as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy all these commands one by one. All the commands are provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now run the second command, copy the complete command till here, and then paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once done, copy the third command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now once done, run the last command, paste it, hit the enter key. These commands will do these things. Once done, restart your PC, and after the system restart you can check. Next step is to run these commands. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, update your Windows 11. Next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5083769 or KB5082417, whichever is giving you the error message. You can type in the name of the update over here and then click on search. Now on this page, first of all check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer, run command. Now over here you will see version, in my case it's version 25H2. So check your version and then open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, check your system type. So for me it's system type is 64-bit operating system. Now for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Click on download and then click on KB5083769, click on it and let the download complete. This will take some time. It's 4.5 gigabyte. So let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and then follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually and then restart your PC, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working? The next step is to close all kinds of third-party applications and services running on your computer. Make sure only the Windows update is running. Rest close everything. If you have any third-party antivirus, you can disable your antivirus program till the time it's installing the update. Once you are done installing the update, you can enable your antivirus program once again. If you have any third-party anti-cheat program like Faceit, Anti-Cheat, Riot, Vanguard, you can uninstall these applications, restart your PC, and then update your Windows 11. Next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option, scroll down, and then go to Recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. And once this is done, restart your PC and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now. And then you can run this exe file. Once the download is complete, run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, you can go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.